Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still on the Acha series, and in this episode I'll be showing you all how to make Acha pudding that you can easily make for breakfast. So sit back and enjoy. So to make this Acha pudding, I'll be transferring 1 cup of washed Acha into my pan. I actually purchased this one from the local market, so I had to wash it properly in order to get rid of sand and dirt. There's a detailed video already on the channel where I shared how to wash your Acha properly to be sand free. I'll be adding a link to a description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out because you need to wash your Acha properly just so you don't end up eating sand. But if you're making use of the packaged ones, there's totally no need for you to wash it. So for 1 cup of Acha, I'll be adding 2 cups of water. Then mix everything together and allow to simmer on medium heat. So this is 5 minutes later and the Acha is simmering already. I'll just go ahead and mix everything together and allow it to cook further. You need to keep stirring your Acha at interval just so it doesn't stick to the base of the pan without cooking evenly. After additional 2 minutes, the water in the Acha is reduced already, but it's still not soft enough the way I actually want my Acha pudding to be. So just go ahead and add little sugar just to sweeten things up. You can choose to use maple syrup as well. I'll also be adding little water at this level and allow it to cook. One thing you need to know about Acha pudding is that it consumes lots of water. So just mix everything together and allow it to cook for 1 more minute before taking it off from the heat. And that's it guys, our Acha pudding is pretty much ready. Let me know in the comment section if you've had Acha pudding in the past or if you're trying out this recipe. For extra garnishing and nutrients, I'll also be topping it up with apples. I'm using green and red apple. I'll also be adding banana slice to it and milk to give it that rich creamy taste. So I can just go ahead and mix everything together and the Acha pudding for breakfast is ready in less than 10 minutes. There are also other recipes in the channel on how you can be able to enjoy your Acha and more are yet to come. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this will be a perfect moment for you to do so by hitting the subscribe button down below and also turning on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified when I upload those videos. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye.